Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into this episode of 90-second Chromebook tips and tricks. Today I want to help you organize your Google Waffle. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's that space up in the corner. It gives you quick access to all things Google that you could need. So as you can see right now, I've got my account, mail, Drive, Blogger, search, photos, whatever it is that I use that's within Google is available to me. Now I have two options here. I can kind of reorganize this to make it more helpful, and I can kind of clarify it a little bit. If I click more down here, you can see that I've got a couple other options I can use, but I don't use my account much. I don't use support much. I don't use Google Groups a lot. Out of the classroom, I'm not using Classroom a whole bunch. I do need quick access to my contacts, so I should move that up top and Drive there. So use my Google Keep quite a bit and my calendar, lifesaver there. So I want to get those into a spot that I can quickly access them and make it available for me to quickly get to the tools that I need. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.